In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your Onshape account and some basic UI navigation. First, click the link in the description which will bring you to the Onshape pricing page. Next, either select one of the 4 options, or for students, select the Create Student Account. Now we're ready to make our document. Select the blue Create button and select Folder. Name this folder Meet Tutorials. Now, hit the blue Create button again, this time selecting Document. Name this document Cube. Under Document Location, select Meet Tutorials and hit Open. Then hit Create. Now that we have our document opened, the first thing you should always check is to ensure our workspace units are set correctly. To do this, press the hamburger icon and select Workspace Units. We'll be using inches, so we do not need to change this. In the next tutorial, we'll learn the basic controls in your studios. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on contact@metex.com. We also offer all of our CAD tutorials on our website at www.metex.com. Links in the description.